you thinking of buying a home, but you're not sure if you should? I'm diving into the top 7 reasons why buying a home is smarter than renting in our amazing city of Chicago and its beautiful suburbs. Stick around and I'll tell you in the end for a bonus tip. Hello, my name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell Banker. I serve the Chicagoland and suburbs, and I'm also your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. Reason number 1, building equity. Every mortgage payment you make is an investment in your future. Unlike rent, which goes straight to your landlord's bank account, your mortgage payments builds equity, giving you a tangible asset over time. Reason number 2, stability and predictability. When you buy a home, you lock into the monthly payments with a fixed rate mortgage. No more worrying about unexpected rent hikes. This stability helps you plan for finances better. Taxes and insurance do go up, but there are many ways to decrease and save money on that too. Reason number 3, personalize. Owning your own home means that you can customize your home with your heart. Want to paint the walls, renovate the kitchen, or create a backyard? Go for it. It's your home, it's your rules. Reason number 4, tax benefits. Homeowners in Chicago can take advantage of the significant tax deductions, including mortgage interest and property taxes. These savings can make a big difference in your annual budget. Reason number 5, appreciation. Real estate in Chicago and its suburbs appreciates over time. This means that your home could increase in value, providing you with a great return of investment when you decide to sell. Reason number 6, community and roots. Owning a home gives you a sense of belonging and stability. You become part of that community, building relationships with your neighbors and create lasting memories in your neighborhood. You can do so much more just being involved with your community. And reason number 7, security and privacy. Owning your homes means no more control over your living space, no more dealing with noisy neighbors through thin walls or unexpected landlord visits. Your home is your private sanctuary. And here's the bonus tip, rental income potential. If you buy a multifamily property, you can rent out one unit and generate additional income. It's a great way to offset your mortgage cost and build wealth. This is a whole nother level of passive income for the future. Watch my video on multi-units properties on my YouTube page. So if you're ready to make the smart move and invest in your home in Chicago or in the suburbs, reach out to me today. Let's turn your home ownership dreams into reality. There are so many programs out there for many people that can make the process very easy, very affordable with down payment assistance programs and grants programs. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. Give me a call for more information. My number is 773-550-4846. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more real estate tips and updates. Thanks for watching.